Well, good morning. What an immaculate looking example of a Ford or a Nissan. Back in those days, if any of you are old enough to remember when they rebadged the Ford Falcon as a Nissan Ute for a while, and they rebadged the Patrol as a Ford Maverick for a while. Well, this one's just had a turbo system installed yesterday. Neat and tidy, looking good. It is absolutely immaculate. Really good example of a history maker, I guess you could call them. These things will be around for a long time to come, well past any EV that's going to be lasting out there. Certainly 10 or 20 battery changes by the time one of these things die. Very good job. You can see the air coming over from the turbocharger. Air cleaner there. Pipe over the back, air goes down to the turbo, air comes out of the turbo and goes to the engine. Maybe one thing for some of the service guys, a bit easier to service. You don't have the air cleaner sitting right on top of that inlet manifold anymore, so yeah, great. Good job. They've done another one of these, so 2 in a few days. Don't usually always see the Nissans, obviously the Toyota's the most popular one. But yeah, really good example of a Maverick. I nearly said Patrol. Let's have a look inside. Only a baby, 184,000 kilometres on it. Lovely. Very neat and tidy. Wow, electrical windows, that was pretty up to date. Not electric mirrors though. But yeah, oh well, one for the history books, this one. Getting rarer and rarer to find. See more of these videos, we'll keep putting them up as we get them in. And we'll have a look at that other Nissan when that gets finished up. You can see more about fitting turbos and things properly to diesels. Keep looking at our Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Snapchat, or look us up at berrimadiesel.com. We can find out more about looking after your diesel.